A road accident caused as a result of poor road maintenance or by negligent drivers may lead to a severe personal injury or death. Usually, the victim seeks a way to receive a compensation that would correspond to the physical and psychological he or she is suffering. Furthermore, the compensation is a mean to recover potential financial losses. The professional assistance of a litigation lawyer may contribute to receive the compensation you actually deserve. The litigation lawyers of Michael Chamber Sandamp, Co. LLC will examine your case thoroughly and develop an adequate strategy. Furthermore, the litigation team of Michael Chamber Sandamp, Co. LLC will take into consideration other experts' reports, i.e. medical and engineering reports, in order to support your case properly. Michael Chambers and his team advise you to gather the following information so that to support your case in the court: the exact location of the accident, detailed information regarding the poor road conditions, contact details of witnesses, photos of the damaged vehicles, the location, the signs of poor road conditions, etc. The litigation team of Michael Chamber Sandamp, Co. LLC advises you to follow the step below. 1. If you have been injured, ask for immediate medical assistance. You have the right to choose your doctor. Write down all the details related to the treatment, medications, and other relevant instructions given to you by the doctor. 2. Take pictures of the place where the accident was held. Usually, insurance companies take photos of the scene. However, Michael Chambers and his team suggest that you also should take pictures of the place where the accident occurred. In addition, you should write down key details concerning the circumstances under which the accident occurred. 3. Gather the contact details of witnesses since their statements may support your case. 4. Call the police. The police will examine the scene of the accident and prepare a report. Have in mind that the police's report could be evidence at the court. 5. Call your insurance company and give the contact details of the involved drivers except for yourself. Michael Chambers Sandamp, Co. LLC advises you not to sign any document without a thorough assessment and reflection, since this might deprive you of the right to claim compensation, or you might receive a smaller amount than the one you deserve. 6. The most important step is to ask for a professional legal assistance. A professional legal guidance will guarantee that you will get the compensation you deserve. Usually, insurance companies may offer to arrange everything for you. Insurance companies cover only medical expenses, and sometimes other damages, i.e., car damage. That is to say, insurance companies do not compensate you for personal injury, or the amount they offer does not correspond to the one you deserve.
Sa balay, lagi standby, wala buhat o sagtagan. Naghiga, sinasangatan, wapalupit sa kongnanan. Kanya naabot si Juan, nagdalaog, pakwan na alert ang tanan. Kaya pakwan sa makatami, sa dalagang ipasok sa dalan. Ay pastilan, imo Jonathan, ang umang sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Ay pastilan, imo Jonathan, ang umang sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Pakwa umuuwan sa mutalakiya, pakwan sa muta kong mataliksikan, makitan yuduli sa sakuwang at pakwan, kuwang at pakwan. Umuuwan sa mutalakiya, pakwan sa muta kong mataliksikan, makitan yuduli sa sakuwang at pakwan, kuwang at pakwan. kalamiang pakwan samot na kung matalik sikan makita Yudili sa puwang pakwan puwang pakwan umuuwan samot kalamiang pakwan samot na kung matalik